Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error unable to connect to your DHCP server on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the physical connections and restart. And the second one is to restart the DHCP client service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the DHCP client service. Okay, dynamic host configuration protocol. Right click on it and restart it. Okay, click on restart. The last solution is a network reset. Now this covers all of the network related solutions, so it will be very helpful. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, select network reset, click on reset now and click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.